In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on TikTok Shop with Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. TikTok has exploded in popularity, and its shopping features have opened a fantastic opportunity for creators and entrepreneurs alike. So let's dive right in and explore how you can set up your very own shop on TikTok using Printify. First, let's chat a little about Printify. For those unfamiliar, Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create and sell custom products online without worrying about inventory or shipping. The process is simple, and it should be seamless when connecting your store to TikTok. Once you understand how Printify works, you'll see how easy it is to start selling. The first step in this journey is to create your Printify account. If you haven't done so already, just head to the Printify website and sign up. It's a straightforward process. The interface is user-friendly and designed to guide you through. Once you're registered, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, before we begin adding products, it's worth mentioning that you'll also need to have a TikTok account and access to TikTok Shop. If you don't have a TikTok account yet, just download the app, create your profile, and start exploring. Afterward, you can apply to access the TikTok Shop feature. This is where you'll list your Printify products for sale. Once you're set up on TikTok, it's time to create your products on Printify. On your Printify dashboard, click on Catalog. You'll see a variety of products you can personalize, everything from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases. Take some time to browse through the options. Let's say you want to start with a simple t-shirt. Click on the t-shirt option, and you'll be able to choose styles, colors, and sizes. Next, you'll want to design it. This is where your creativity can really shine. You can upload your own images or logos and use Printify's design templates. It's important to create something that resonates with your target audience on TikTok. Think trendy, fun, and visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to review the pricing and adjust as necessary. Remember, you want to price your products competitively while still making a profit. Take a moment to calculate what your expenses will be and how much you want to mark up your products. With your t-shirt designed, it's time to publish it to your Printify store. When you click the Publish button, it gets sent directly to the connected store. Since we're connecting to TikTok, ensure you've linked Printify with your TikTok shop correctly. If you haven't yet done this, go back to Printify settings and look for the option to connect to TikTok shop. Follow the prompts to ensure everything is integrated smoothly. Once your product is live on TikTok shop, the fun really begins. It's time to market your new products. Use TikTok's dynamic platform to create engaging content that showcases your t-shirts. Think of how-to videos, styling tips, or behind-the-scenes footage on your design process. Short, catchy snippets work best here, so let your creativity shine. Make good use of trending sounds and hashtags to ensure your content reaches a wider audience. Engaging with your followers is also essential, so respond to comments and consider doing some live streams showcasing your products. These live interactions can greatly enhance customer engagement and build a rapport with your audience. As your shop grows, keep an eye on your analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. TikTok's analytics tools can provide you insight into your audience demographics and how your products are being received. Adapt your strategy based on these insights and continue to evolve your brand. In the end, selling on TikTok Shop with Printify can be a rewarding experience. It combines creativity with entrepreneurship in a way that's fresh and vibrant. Remember, success takes time, so keep experimenting, learning, and growing with your audience. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide on selling on TikTok Shop with Printify helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Happy selling, and I can't wait to see what you create.